Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is pricing plan for website user or web developer. This file is PST for Photoshop, and these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, all password in this app. Double click, open, wait. You see here in layer area, here is 1 2 3 of many button of price. You see, you can increase or decrease or write anything. Here is unlimited hosting or site bandwidth, host unlimited domain, free domain, write anything. Not for a mostly website. You can write your own brand name or brand quantity, and here is color. You can change background color like this one, and you can apply a render image background, for example, like this one. Drag here, enter, page down, enter, and create clipping mask. You see, or you can make more better. Okay, you see here, but you can import your own logo or your own company brand. Okay, here is basic, select any color. I think this one was black, yellow. Here is okay. Sign up, click here. That means all files are fully editable. You can change everything. Okay, here is basic, standard, professional, business, and primary. Same thing is here. You need a font file. You can change color. Depend your own choice. You can apply a photo. This one, interact here. I tell you, just for example, you can adjust your brand photo or your choice. Okay, enter, right click, create clipping mask, and then click on opacity. You see, you can write anything. Okay, same thing here, just best price, same row your title here. You can change color or write anything. Okay, download button, sign up button, and here is your title here button. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.